Hello students. So this is the continuation of perimeter and area. I am your Shruti teacher. So till now we have studied how to find the perimeter and area of a given square, given rectangle and a triangle and a parallelogram and all. So now we can study about the circles. So instead of using the perimeter of a circle, they are using the circumference of circle here, and the area is nothing but area itself here. So we know that perimeter is nothing but the sum of the edges, sum of the boundary of a given figure. But here in a circle there is no edges, so that's why the curve occupies with a closed, so that's why it is called as a circumference. And the area is nothing but the plane figure, so this is called as a area. Okay, now go for the question 11.3 exercise. Question number 1. Find the circumference of circle with the following radius. See, we know that we have to remember the circumference of circle formula. It is with respect to radius 2 into pi into r. And if it is a respect to the diameter, 2 into r is nothing but diameter. So pi into d. And the area is nothing but pi r square. Okay, and where d is equal to 2r, because 2 times the radius. So here radius is given in the sense, so r is given. Okay, and pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. It is a standard notation where the pi is there sometimes, so we have to use the pi as a 22 by 7 if they mentioned. If they are not mentioned, you can use the pi value as a 22 by 7, or sometimes 3.143 and all they'll keep. So the value of a pi, if they're given, you have to substitute the same value. Okay, so first question, find the circumference of circle with a radius r, 14 centimeter. So circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. That means 2 into pi into r, multiplication. It is nothing sign between the terms, means it is a product. So 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into 14. So here you can simplify, 7 1s are 7 2s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 22s are 88 centimeter. Okay, same way you can do it others. Now second main, find the area of the following circle given that pi is equal to 22 by 7. So radius is given 14 millimeter. So we have to concentrate about the given thing. So area is equal to, with respect to r, pi into r square. R square means 2 times we have to multiply. So area of circle is equal to pi r square, means pi means 22 by 7. R square means multiplication, r square means 2 times r into r. Okay, if it is r cube means r into r into r, like that. Okay, so here r square means 14 into 14. Now same way cancellation, 7 1s are 7 2s are. So again 22 2s are 44. 44 plus 14 is 616 millimeters square. Why millimeters square? Because see here, 14 millimeter into 14 millimeter. Why it is not only millimeter? So 22 by 7, it doesn't have any unit, that's why. So we can neglect. So 4 millimeter into millimeter, we can write it as a millimeter square. Why? Because just now I said r square is equal to r into r. In the same way, millimeters square is nothing but millimeter into millimeter, or meter square is nothing but meter square, meter into meter. So here diameter is given, that means d is equal to 49 meter. Then radius is nothing but d by 2, or half of the diameter. So 49 by 2 meter. So it is nothing but 24.5 meter. So substitute in the like this, you can solve it as a area of square circle. Then third one, is also 5 centimeter radius is there as first one given. Now go for the third question. If the circumference of circular sheet, so one circular sheet is there, circumference is given, then boundary is given 154 centimeter, 154 meter. Find its radius. So circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r is given 154 meter. So find the radius. So radius is question mark. Also find the area. So area is also question mark. So here then we can write it as a 2 pi r. Circumference of circular sheet is 154, means 2 pi r is equal to 154 meter. So what I'll do, so 2 I'll transfer here. So it becomes a division. Okay. Again pi also I'll transfer here because I need only r in the RHS. So r I'll keep 154 by 2 pi. So 2 pi is nothing but, see here, 154 divided by 2 into pi. So 2 into pi I can write as a 2 into 22 by 7 it is. Okay, 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 means 154 divided by 2 as it is, 22 as it is. See, denominator of denominator. Once again I'll write here, it is not clear, that's why. So denominator of denominator will go to the numerator with the product. So that's why I can write it as 154 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. Okay. So sometimes this will come, you must understand, that's why I'm going to explain here. So denominator of denominator will go to the numerator with the product always. So that's why, so this steps becomes like this. So if you simplify 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 7s are 14, then 7 20, 11 2s are 11 7s are, okay, 7 7s are 49, 49 by 2 is 24.5 meter. So it is only radius. Okay, only radius. Then what about the circular area of circular sheet? Area is nothing but pi r square. Pi into, pi means 22 by 7, r means 24.5 per 24.5. You know the product of decimals. Okay, so it is 7 1s are 7 3s are 20, 21, 3 remain point, so 35 it becomes 5s are 35. So it is, that's why it is 3.5. Then therefore the radius is a 24.45 centimeter and radius is 1886.5 meter square. Then go for the fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. See here, one word fencing comes. Fencing means edges or compound, like a compound. If it is a square or rectangle shape, compound, it is like a compound. So in the same way, circular fencing. So it is a circular shape of a circular compounding like this. Circular garden diameter 21 meter. So diameter is given. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. So by the rope it is fencing. Okay. If he makes 2 rounds of fencing, not only one. Fencing means you can understand like this. If something, if it is a rope like this. Okay. Can you imagine now for the edges of the area given? So if they can use the rope or we can use the wire here. So 2 round they need, it seems. Also find the cost of rope. If it is the cost rupees 4 per meter. So for 1 meter 4 rupees rope. So how many amount of rope we have to find here. So diameter of garden 21 meter. Then the radius of circular garden is 21 by 2 meter. Keep it like this only, don't write it as a decimal. in the calculation you can understand. So circumference of circle, because to fence means we have to find the circumference. To paint or to keep something means area we have to find it. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2. Radius is 21 by 2. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 2 ones are 2 ones are get cancelled. 22 into 3 is 66 meter. So it is a for one rope. So one round fencing. So 2 round fencing means 2 into 2 pi r. So we already find the 2 pi r means 2 into 66 is equal to 132 meter. Then so for 2 rounds we need the 132 meter rope. So 132 meter rope we need means for 1 meter rope 4 rupees. So then for 132 meter rope how many amount? What is the amount? Therefore the 132 meter rope is 4 into 132 into 500 and is equal to rupees 528. Then go for the fifth question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, circle radius 3 cm is removed. Okay, find the area of the remaining sheet. See here, one circular sheet with a 4 cm is there. Okay, in this 3 cm circle, maybe here may come 3 cm. So with this, the radius of circle is removed, it seems. So removing means this full area we have to remove. Okay, so find the area of remaining means we have to find this area, how much is remaining. So that meaning is, so area of this big circle with a radius 4 cm minus area of a radius 3 cm. If you find it, you'll get the remaining portion. Okay, so radius of circular sheet of bigger r, and one more thing, we have to use the 3.14 as a pi. So bigger circular sheet is 4 cm, smaller we have to remove, no, that is the radius is 3 cm. Then area of remaining sheet is area of circular sheet bigger and area of removed circle. So pi r square capital, pi r square small. So pi is common in outside, you can write, because it is pi is common in both. Then capital R is 4 square, small r is 3 square. 4 square means 4 into 4 16, 3 into 3 9, 16 minus 9 is 7. So pi you can write it now, 3.14 into 7 is 21.98 centimeter square. So the area of a remaining sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Then go for the sixth question. Saima wants to put a lace. See, put a lacing means it is the outside only. So it is meaning is circumference. On the edge of the circular table, cover of a diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost. If 1 meter of the lace is cost is 1 rupees 15. Yes. So take a pi as a 3.14. Diameter of the circular table covers 1.5 meter and radius is 1.5 by 2. So we lace on the edge of circular table means it is a circumference. 2 pi we have to find. So 2 as substituting we got as a 4.71 meter. Therefore the length of the required lace is 4.71 meter lace we need. But for 1 meter lace rupees 15 means we need a 4.71 meter. Okay, so how many amount we need? Then the cost of 4.71 meter lace is 15 into 4.71. So therefore rupees 70.65 rupees we need to buy the lace. Then the seventh one, find the perimeter of the adjoining figure. Adjoining means side, which is semicircle including its diameter. See here, Perimeter, why they have mentioned here? Because there is a line here. There is a one line segment. That's why they are used the, instead of circumference, they are used the perimeter. So here perimeter means the sum of this edge and the semicircle circumference. So if this is a diameter, so what about the radius? 5 centimeter, half of diameter. So this one is, so the circumference of this circle is not full, it is half, means we can use the, instead of 2 pi r, I can use half to find this measurement, only. Okay, then so 2 get cancelled, what is remain? Only pi r plus this also I need diameter, so diameter, so this we have to find. So diameter is 10 centimeter, radius is 5 centimeter. So according to the question, perimeter of figure is equal to circumference of semicircle plus diameter. So substitute the value of pi as a 22/7 into 5 plus 10 diameter. So 110/7 plus 10. So if you simplify, so if you take the LCM here, into 7 will come, that's why it is a 70. Then 110 plus 70 is equal to 180/7. So 25.71 centimeter is a perimeter of given adjoining figure. So see the next question, 8th one. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of a diameter of 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. See, polishing means it is a area, we can understand. So diameter of a circular table is 1.6 meter, radius of circular table is 0.8 meter, area of circular, because polishing means we have to find the area. Pi r square means 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. So if you simplify, you'll get a 2.00096 meter square, or you can use only the 2 here, approximately. Okay, then our cost of 1 meter square polishing is rupees 15, means then the cost of 2.0096 meter square is 15 into 2.0096. So it is approximately 30.14 rupees. Then the 9th one, Sazli took a wire of length 44 meter and bent it into a shape of circle. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into shape of a square, what will be the length of each sides of its sides? Here, one wire is there of total 44 meter. So 44 centimeter. Bend it into a shape of circle. First they made it as a circle. That means 2 pi r is equal to 44. Find the radius. So using this we have to find the radius. Okay. Also find the area. Okay. Again, if the same wire is bent into the shape of square. So bent into the shape of square means 4 into side is equal to 44 at that time. What will be the length of each side of a square? Here also side we have to find using this. So which figure encloses more area, means we have to find the area of the square also. Then we can compare the circle and square area. Okay, understood? Yes. So we can go for the solution. Take up pi as a 22/7. Total length of wire is 44. Circumference is given as at 44. So radius becomes 44 divided by 2 into 22, and 7 goes to the numerator. If you simplify, you will get a 7 centimeter, because 2 ones are 2, 22s are 22 ones are 22 ones are, so 7 remains 7 centimeter. The area of the circle is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. If you simplify, pi r square as a 154 centimeter square. Now the wire is converted into square. Then the perimeter of square is 44 centimeters. That is nothing but 4 into side is equal to 44. So side is equal to 44 by 4. So side, the length of each side of square is 11 centimeter. So at that time 11 centimeter is the side. Then the area is side into side. 11 into 11, 121 centimeter square. Now we have to compare these two area. Which encloses more? Yes, circle encloses the more area. Then the question number 10. From the circular card sheet of radius 4 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and rectangle of length 3 cm and a breadth 1 cm are removed. As shown in the adjoining figure, find the area of the figure remaining sheet. So adjoining figure is not there here. So I will show how it is. So one circular radius is there with the 14 centimeter. In this, two circles 3.5, 3.5. Somewhere here, one more here, one more here. I can locate, or else you can show it here. 3.5, one more 3.5. Again rectangle of length. Okay, rectangle of length 3 centimeter and 1 meter. So R removed means we have to remove this area plus this area plus this one. So remaining, what we have to do? Find the area of this circle first and area of these two and area of rectangle. So in this total we have to remove these areas, 3 areas. You will get a required remaining sheet. So how it is? Radius of circular sheet capital R 14 cm, smaller R circle 3.5 cm, length of rectangle L 3 cm, breadth is 1 cm. So according to the question, area of circular sheet minus area of a 2 smaller, because 2 are there. 2 are there means area of rectangle. So pi r square minus 2 into pi r square minus L into plus L into B, because 2 circles. Why pi 2? Because 2 circles are there. That's why. So substitute the values. Pi as a 22 by 7. R square means 14 into 14. Then 2, 22 by 7. R square 3.5, 3.5 plus. It should be plus, not minus. So 3 into 1, 3. Then if you simplify, first we have to simplify the bracket, then we have to subtract it. 616 minus 80 minus 536 centimeter square. Then the question number 11. A radius of a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from the square piece. Cut out of an aluminium sheet is of side 6 centimeter. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? See here. So one square is there of 6 centimeter. In this 2 centimeter circle is removed. So we have to remove it is. So remaining means, so square, area of a square minus area of circle. Okay, you can do it. So the circumference of circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and area of the circle. You can do it. 13th question. A circular flower bed is surrounded by the path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Okay. So here area diameter of circle of flower bed is 66 meter. Radius of circular bed is 33 because half of diameter. Then the radius of flower bed with a 4 meter wide. So 4 meter means from here to here 4 meter and this is 4 meter. Total how much? It is 66 plus 4, 70, 74 it is. 74 half is 37 centimeter. Okay, according to the question, area of path, same, bigger circle minus smaller circle. Okay, then question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. A sprinkler at the center of a garden can cover an area that has a radius 12 meter. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? So area of a circular garden is given here, means pi r square of a given circular, and a sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an 12 meter radius. So if it is the area, sprinkler is at the center, somewhere it is reaching at a 12 meter. Okay, 12 centimeter reaching sprinkler. Okay, like this. You know that water sprinkler means, you know, can use. So first we have to find the area covered by the sprinkler of radius 12 meter. So that is 3.14 into 12 into 12, that is 452.16 meter square. Then we have to subtract this circular area of a flower garden is equal to 314 meter square. So since the area of circular garden is smaller than the area of a sprinkler, therefore sprinkler will water the entire garden. Okay, so our garden is like this now. So the sprinkler is reaching this much, so 12 centimeter. Okay, then the 15th one, find the circumference of inner and outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. So inner circle radius 19 centimeter, outer is 19. In this 19, already 10 outside means inside 9, like that. So smaller circle radius is 9 and outside is 19. So find the circumference of each. 16. How many times a wheel of a radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go the 352 meter? So we have to rotating in the sense we have to find the circumference. How many times means we have to divide it by the numbers. How it is? Let the wheel must be rotate 10 times of circumference. So radius is 28 centimeter. Total distance is 352, means it is the distance covered or a number of times repetition with the circumference. Okay. So in the centimeter they are given. So distance covered by the wheel is equal to number of times repetition circumference. So okay, why? Because if it is a wheel, so if it is rotating like this, so after one rotation, second rotation, third rotation, like this, how many times rotation means how many times of the circumference. So it is 35,200 centimeter is equal to in number of times into 2 pi r. So if you transfer these all the terms this side, n is equal to 35,200 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 28. If you simplify, 200 times the repetition of wheel is revolution taken place to cover the 352 meter. Then the 17th one, the minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? How many times? So in 1 hour, minute hand completes one rotation. Okay, because it takes the 60 minutes means one rotation. So Radius of circle is 15 centimeter, means that clock. Circumference of circular clock is 2 pi r. Okay, one rotation we have to find it. Okay, so this is all about the 11.3 exercise. Remaining we can continue with the next class. Thank you.